Hi folks. Today we're going to answer a very important question. Does nearly 30-year-old potpourri still stink? But first, an unboxing. This is brand new, has been in the box for almost 30 years. This was given to my mom in '94, I think, at either a baby shower or a church event or something. Directions: add stovetop potpourri to half cup hot water in top container, light tea light candle in lower portion, and enjoy. Heat resistant surface only. This isn't going to work for that. Okay, let's see what's in this thing. The lid. The farmhouse, because, yeah. You know, it's funny, this was probably considered tacky at some point, and it's come all the way back around to being stylish again. So, I'm kind of curious to see. Wow. That actually looks pretty good. I'm kind of amazed at how good that looks. And, hey, look at that. The candle survived after all this time. Okay, give me just a sec, guys. I'm going to change my tablecloth here, get some hot water, and we're going to heat this thing up and see what it smells like. Here's what it looks like up close. I thought I could identify some of the stuff in there. I have no idea. But I tell you what, it still smells good. It was definitely sealed. Okay, folks, got a hunk of rock here. Don't think we're going to set anything on fire. Going to add some hot water. Alrighty. And we'll light the candle and see how long it takes before it fills this whole place full of stank. Alright, the moment of truth. Will a 30-year-old candle burn? Of course it will. It's not an app. It just works. Alright, so there and there. We'll line up our heart with our farmhouse. Yes. Very pleasing. And bam. So there you have it. A very nice smelling way to burn your house down. But we're going to give it, a half hour or so. Right now I can't smell anything. And I put really, really hot water in there. So, we'll see how long it takes. I don't know if it's showing up on camera or not, but it is actually steaming a little bit already. Okay, it's been a half an hour, and this whole place smells like a craft store. So the answer is a very emphatic yes, yes. Smell-o-vision. Smell-o-vision, yes, yes. Just like any craft store you've ever been in, it smells like cinnamon and pine needles and the past. Well, short little video, kind of neat to know. As long as your potpourri is still sealed up, yeah, it should still work. Heck, even the candle still worked. It's amazing. Maybe we made it better back then. Who knows? Well, thanks for watching, guys. And here in 4 days, we're going to back-to-back auctions Saturday and Sunday. So watch out for those. Have a great day.